simudza kubva mufu ndicharumbidza zita renyu. Munondipawo upenyu hutsva, ndichaimba zita renyu Mwari. Ndizohlabelela igama lakho Nkosi, makandipa rudo nerunyararo, unginike uthando lokuthula. Nkosi yami nguwe amandla ami, ungiphakamisile emhlabathini. Ngizodumisa igama lakho, ungiphe impilo entsha. Moya yami utrene pindayi mumoyo mangu, moya wongcwele ngiyalidinga. Tungamirashi ngihambe nenyu, guide me Lord kumambo wetu. Mwari wakanaka muneni nguva dzose, Nkosi enhle uhle njalo njalo. Ruoko rwenu runondisimudza, amandla enu angiphethe njalo. Nkosi yami nguwe amandla ami, ungiphakamisile emhlabathini. Ngizodumisa igama lakho, unginike uthando lokuthula. Nkosi yami nguwe amandla ami, ungiphakamisile emhlabathini. Ngizodumisa igama lakho, unginike uthando lokuthula. Nkosi yami nguwe amandla ami, ungiphakamisile emhlabathini. Ngizodumisa igama lakho, unginike uthando lokuthula. Moya yami uthwene pindayi mumoyo mangu, moya wongcwele ngiyalidinga. Tungamirali ngihambe nenyu, guide me Lord kumambo wetu. Nkosi yami nguwe amandla ami, ungiphakamisile emhlabathini. Ngizodumisa igama lakho, unginike uthando lokuthula. Moya wami uthwene pindayi mumoyo mangu, moya wongcwele ngiyalidinga. Tungamirali ngihambe nenyu, guide me Lord kumambo wetu. Final, final, final. Mwari wakanaka. Final, final.
The one who dwells in the shelter of the Most High will abide in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say to the Lord, my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust, for he will deliver you from the snare of the fowler and from the deadly pestilence. He will cover you with his pinions, and under his wings you will find refuge. His faithfulness is a shield and buckler. You will not fear the terror of the night, nor the arrow that flies by day, nor the pestilence that stalks in darkness, nor the destruction that wastes at noonday. 1,000 may fall at your side, 10,000 at your right hand, but it will not come near you. You will only look with your eyes and see the recompense of the wicked, because you have made the Lord your dwelling place, the Most High, who is my refuge. No evil shall be allowed to befall you, no plague come near your tent, for he will command his angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways. On their hands they will bear you up, lest you strike your foot against a stone. You will tread on the lion and the adder, the young lion and the serpent. You will trample underfoot, because he holds fast to me in love. I will deliver him, I will protect him. 'cause He knows my name. When He calls to me, I will answer Him. I will be with Him in trouble. I will rescue Him and honor Him with long life. I will satisfy Him and show Him my salvation.
Keeper of my path, by your word I'll wake in peace. You are my hiding place and my shield. In your promises I rest. Turn my eyes from worthless things. Preserve my life according to your word. Uphold me and I will be safe. Steady my steps to walk in your ways. When the wicked lie in wait, your statutes are my shelter and song. Give me understanding to do your will, courage to resist every snare, and light for my next step in the watches of the night. You are near, oh Lord, all your commands are true. I belong to you, save me. Surround this house with your peace, for great peace have those who love your law. Nothing makes them stumble. Oh man. Key Psalm 19 lines, reference for protection and peace. You are my hiding place and my shield. I hope in your word, oh word. Turn my eyes from worthless things. Preserve my life according to your word. Uphold me and I will be safe. The wicked lie in wait to destroy me, but I consider your testimony. Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path. You are near, oh Lord, and all your commandments are true. I am yours, save me. Great peace have those who love your law. Nothing can make them stumble.